Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the suction cup mount for the mini dash camera. Actually for the mini dash cam 2 is what I'm buying it for. So with all my purchases, I get nothing from doing these videos. I like doing these unboxings just to remember items I've bought in the past, and in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, they can get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So, $25. Unfortunately, they do not give you a suction mounting bracket if you buy the mini dash camera 2. This is basically what it looks like when it comes in. They give you 2 of these adhesive mounts, which I guess is okay, but I'm not looking to put these on my windshield and then pull them off and deal with the adhesive not sticking. So for $25, I bought this. I think it's rather expensive. I wish they would have just given you some kind of suction mount with the dash camera, but nonetheless, I bought it because I thought it would be functional. So looks like the way it's going to work, you're going to have your suction mount here, and then we're going to put the dash camera up top. They give you a couple other, let's take a look at the accessories we get. They've got different angles on them. So you can have it straight, and then they give you one that has a curved angle. And then they give you another one that has the larger head. So you've got your small, your large, and then your smaller head. I guess it's so that this mount can be used with multiple dash cameras that Garmin sells. You've got your Allen wrench and you got a couple screws that go with it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my dash camera set up and we'll see how it works in the car. So it costs $25, but it's definitely easier to take on and off of a vehicle. I'm going to simply put it in my window, press this up, and then I can basically adjust my dash camera any way I want to. When I'm done with it, when I take it out, all I have to do, pull this down, pull it off, I'm ready to take it to the other vehicle or move it around, whatever I need to do. Anyway, I hope the video helps, gives you an idea of how this accessory from Garmin works.